This is the first screen of your examination. It will show the subject of your examination, your name and unique sign-on ID, the duration of the exam, the sections of the exam, the number of questions in each, and the total marks allocated for each. Please check that the subject of the examination and your name are correct. If they are not correct, raise your hand to get the attention of the invigilator. The exam invigilator will prompt you when you are able to start the examination. Click on the Start button and the time will begin to count down and appears as time remaining. The clock will turn red in the last 5 minutes of the exam. If you do not get your exam finished by the end of the time allowed, the exam will automatically submit for marking. Throughout the exam, you can navigate through questions by selecting the Next or Back button. This action allows you to go backwards and forwards through the questions. You also have the ability to select one question at a time that you may want to revise, view or re-attempt by clicking on the question number. These are found at the bottom of the screen and are grouped into sections. At the top of the screen is a drop-down box which gives you options to colour or flag your questions. These options are finalised, attention and unfinished. When you have selected one of these options, the question number at the bottom of the screen will change colour. Green is finalised, red is for attention, grey is unfinished and the black shows the question that is currently selected. The Finish Now button in the top right corner of the screen is to be used when you have completed your exam. This will submit your answers. Please do not press this until you have finished the entire exam. Comments or feedback you have about the examination can be made against questions during your exam. An additional 5 minutes is given at the end of every exam for comments. The comments you make have no effect on the marks but are reviewed to improve the questions. To make a comment, click on the icon in the top left-hand corner, the one that looks like a pen and paper. A text box will appear where you can begin typing in a comment. The pen and paper icon displays throughout your exam and allows you to record a comment anytime during your exam. This is a multi-choice question. To select an answer, click in the circle button next to your preferred answer to assign your choice. To change your original choice, click on the circle next to a different answer. Here you have the option to go back and add more comments to the questions and/or make changes to your answers. This is a good opportunity to go back and review your answers. Perhaps you have marked some with the attention flag or as unfinished. Once you are satisfied that you have finished your exam, you may select the Finish Now button. This screen appears when you can make feedback by clicking the Feedback button. You will also get this screen when the exam automatically submits. Please note that once you have submitted your exam, you cannot change any of your answers. You will only be permitted to make comments by clicking on the Feedback button. Click on the Close button and your comments will be saved. Once the green screen is displayed, your answers have been submitted for marking.